Sweet Jesus! Sweet merciful crap! Hello there! Holy crap! Okay, that's new! Idiot! Oh, now the end is. Goodbye, folks.
Or download the WeatherCam mobile application for your local weather information.
I forgot to get you on.
Forecast for city of Toronto issued by Environment Canada at 11
Oh my sweet Jesus. Okay. Done! I just caught it! I caught it! Holy crap! I got it! Dude! I got it! My actually first administrative message to all my radios. Wait. Oh, I feel like VAD just ended.
mainly cloudy with 60% chance.
Well, rest in peace. I should have had it on voice, man. Oh my god.